dishonesty or moral into fraud no. Say wo ye Canadian. Na ukoturogu paper so say onye Canadian. Mutie ni yo. Wo ye Canadian. Na san sa wo person ukodi MPT. Ukoka kira ho say onye Canadian na. That is you frauding the state. Your documents were fraud. Enti papa no number 1. This ayi keke I no crack keke no made him not to hold himself as an MP. And uti na mo be kai answer no mo koswe no. Clerk of Parliament can say will receive a high court instruction say Papa James Kwesi we no he cannot hold himself as an MP for assent. And see edun ketia ofoswan pofo ani omo ekika ho edi mirika kwata papa na obra oba it was say gidigidi be fam ube vote come nothing will happen to you. Na me gene say papa we what be brochire be sua ade a we lecture ade anka wadwunu be da wo say omo yo diodium no say emra ne ti wa you go jail a omo nka ho Haruna Idris no ye de obedi number speaker. Nembom ye wiye no ye de wo kwa Mr. Kwesi omo mfa wo nko bi o. Omo no wo kwa na ye do be konsa wo mo. Enti dia wo ye hwe wo husu ye. Na ndisi force there bi. Ya man ntinam na onje number said ye be ya babin be ye sebi speaker no me de tin kwasi asem. Ghana 5 billion alcohol. Papa way, the clerk to Parliament catch and say every day some be treno. Article 104 of the Constitution. Me share se meda no ha meba. Article 104. 104. Article 105 of the Constitution can say now this is what the he said. Or say a person who sits or votes in Parliament knowing or having reasonable grounds for knowing that he is not entitled to commit an offense and shall the Constitution. Charlie, hey, NDC4 revolution. I feel the abomutiri so I feel the atemoto. Oh, NDC4 masamo mo po. Ya kaya na mwenti ya debi na behu. Hey, carry ni onu. Oba na ko hinde. Uri be se uri biawadi ya uye free. Na se ubu Ghana dia. Ohiri mu besio tina Jimmy 14 tina. Abeyfo party. Abeyfo topo for party. Abeyfo. Woo! NDC for abeyfo. Tentanla ya pese for yempa de party. And then mutuachi. Haruna Idris stood on the floor of Parliament and lied, say the High Court didn't have jurisdiction over Parliament. Forgetting, say this man in question at that time didn't even have parliamentary immunity. As a matter of fact, the rest of the MPs now until they take their oath, they were just acting MPs. But Tommy himself will law on the sana Ghana for young kind ye no more kind no more the dada. 105 say young go young kind move. Or say a person who sits or votes in Parliament, knowing or having reasonable grounds for knowing that he is not entitled to do, commits an offense and shall be liable on conviction to such penalty as shall be prescribed by or under the Parliamentary Act. Kosoro. Afe, Debbie, Sako down call up. I believe there's another at Go. Go. There's another one. 4. One of okay. 4 on credit me here. Call up. The other 103. Pacho Costro. Costro one more time. Okay, good. Costro one more time. Name Friday. Debbie. The other way around. Anna we see. Okay. Here. 108. Mr. Koram here. Good guy. Chance. So to buy exercise books to go to the remote areas, no. Now say you declare, bro. Me can get and cook watch ya asasi a we ja ya kura wish we ja ye. Now say what the brody ya kura say wa sometimes you nua brody o wa na bibia fifiri ho. Sometimes en kuko ana moa ekodi ameko ni ade ni e de betietia ho wani baba ho sunu na udan ya chiri na adane ameko. O maya ya boy ye to Africa, ya boy ye to Africa Judah busuekuo Africa. Any kwan say come my friend come e bi di. Now so na bad leadership, bad government, wicked leaders, wicked agency heads, wicked citizens, we are not able to reach the coldest we are supposed to reach. Because party B. Now I will never stop saying this. Because party way, we are before party. Sometimes my heart bleeds for Ghana. Sometimes my heart it bleeds for Ghana. It bleeds for Ghana. Say Ghana near Wako Sukuwako University. West dear ni my dear, you know the laws, you know the rules. Now what's now? Now Obiti says Sami Jenfi, our education no, what Bob Bratino, I bet you actual propaganda. Now one koye research and confirm and on wafa. Na me bana meka say my general former maybe no go for na kwesi now we hear do and na kwesi. Sometimes I'm left with no option but to Akufo-Addo government who wouldn't look at our ambulance situation and will not come and talk about Akufo-Addo government say fix the country. Say with all due respect, your brain is daft. Your brain is very dumb. With all due respect. You know why? Because 14 can never be smaller than 7. You understand? Now Ghana for na mube no mayom sa. It is only citizens of Ghana who would allow themselves to be fooled even when the truth is in front of them. When the truth is in front of them. Ghana for and then now politics in tea. No kure daho so mokano. Ombe yo weni akoka diawe eni. Ghana and the journalists ever taking oath of service. So obeka no kure. The obeka ni nabe no kure nothing but the truth. Now so akwa Jessica obedi the obedi amia gunti so akwa propaganda on my number. It kills me. Minia and mere elhuyo many aje but many aje with the pain. Many aje with the pain because me betina ha me page you so me kai and this for time one na say you call swear sebe na Akufo-Addo in no minim say say ye speaker answer Esan said they knew they had lost this election. Esan said they knew they were going to lose in parliament if they did not allow all their members to come in. They breached the law, and I would never forget and forgive Haruna Idrisu for doing this because he's one of the people I hold in high esteem. Haruna Idrisu, a well-to-do man, stood in parliament, misquoted the articles of the constitution. Honorable Chairman Sabonsu, the majority head and leader at that time, did not, because he's his friend,